In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and manage a profile in AdsPower, specifically focusing on how to open new tabs within the profile's browser environment. We'll start with the basics of accessing your desired profile and move on to efficiently managing your browser tabs. So, let's dive right in. To begin, navigate over to the Profiles tab within AdsPower. This is your starting point where you can see all the profiles you've previously set up. Each profile is essentially a virtual space that reflects a unique browsing environment. This is particularly useful for managing multiple profiles without any cross-contamination of information, such as cookies or browsing history. Once you're in the Profiles tab, look for the profile you wish to open. You'll see an option labeled Open next to each profile. Go ahead and click on Open beside your chosen profile. This action will launch a dedicated browser window for that specific profile. With the browser now open, you're all set to manage your tabs just like you would in most common browsers. You might want to multitask or refer to different pages simultaneously. To do this, simply add a new tab. If you look at the tab bar at the top of your browser window, you'll notice a plus button or a new tab icon. Clicking this button will immediately open a new tab for you. It's straightforward and works exactly the same as many other browsers you might be familiar with. For those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a quick and easy way to open a new tab as well, especially if you're on a Windows operating system. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+T. This is a handy way to keep your workflow smooth and efficient. Saving even a few seconds with shortcuts can add up to more substantial time savings, especially if you find yourself frequently multitasking. Now, for those of you who utilize AdsPower's built-in functionalities to automate certain tasks, there's a helpful tool that can make tab management even easier. If you're already engaging with AdsPower's RPA or Web Actions features, you have the option to automate the process of opening a new tab. By accessing the Web Actions menu, you can choose the New Tab action. This automation can further streamline your tasks, enabling a more seamless browsing experience. Integrating these tips into your daily use of AdsPower can significantly enhance productivity, especially if you're juggling multiple profiles and require organized browsing environments. Whether you're manually navigating or leveraging automation, knowing these techniques will keep your workflow efficient and effective. I hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident managing your profiles and tabs in AdsPower. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more tutorials to help you make the most out of your digital environments.